Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It's just not a party. This is a big tourism business. It's called music tourism. Worldwide, such events are used to actually promote tourism. And those people who come, they not only buy the ticket to Sunburn, they not only eat and drink at Sunburn, they also stay in hotels, they fly, they take taxis, they do shopping, they do khana, pina. So there's a lot of money that gets spent that actually finds its way to the local community and also to the government. The application itself was conditional. We said we only need permission from the government to start planning the event, not to do the event. I just want to clarify, we are not doing the event. We've only taken permission and we are planning because nobody in the world can predict how COVID behaves. We don't know sitting here right now in December whether you will have more cases or less cases, no cases. We don't know how it will be around Christmas. We don't know. If it is good, if it is favorable and an event can be done, we will do it. If it is not favorable, if it is not conducive, we will not do it. We care for everyone's health and safety as much as we care for ourselves, so we are not going to do it. Our commitment to the government is very clear. It says clearly that the final permission will only be given looking at the COVID situation at that point in time, and which is what we are operating on. So all I want to do is I want to reassure each one of you that we are not going to do the Sunburn event if it's not believed to be safe at that point in time.